Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to be checking out the Brilliant Uncirculated edition of the 2018 UK 50p coin for the Snowman. And if you buy the Brilliant Uncirculated edition from the Royal Mint, or this version from Westminster Collection, this is how it arrives in the Royal Mint Classic Hangbag. And that is the front and back. But what I'm going to do now is just do my usual thing where I open mine up and show you everything that's going on inside. And then if you own this coin and you don't want to open it, you can see all the information that you actually get. So there we go with the packaging off. That is front and back again. Now let's have a look at the inside. And I'm going to do my usual thing here where I leave each page just long enough so that you can pause it and have a read at your own pace. So this coin has been very successful. The silver-proof sold out in less than a day. And the Brilliant Uncirculated edition is available in this packaging. Or if you head on over to the Westminster Collections website, you can also buy it in their blue carded edition, which is a little bit cheaper, but obviously you don't get all of this illustration and information. So we go back to the front, and now we'll have a look at this part by here at the back. A little bit more information there, and we'll have a look at the coin specifications. So the denomination is 50p, the alloy is cupronickel, the weight is 8 grams, diameter 27.30 millimeters. The quality is Brilliant Uncirculated, the obverse designer is Jodie Clark, and the reverse designer Natasha Ratcliffe. There we go. So let's actually have a look at the coin itself. There we go. Whenever there's a lot of white packaging on everything, it always plays havoc with my lights, so bear with the flickering there. But there we can see the coin and all of the detail on that design. The silver proof is stunning. This one has got some very good detail on it, but it doesn't jump out at you as much. But there we go. That is the reverse of the coin. Let's go and check out the obverse. There we go. So again, 2018 with Jodie Clark's portrait of the Queen there. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Did you get the Brilliant Uncirculated? And if so, did you get this version or did you buy the one from Westminster Collection? I also want to know how many of you bought the silver proof. How many of you were lucky enough to get one before it sold out? But let me know in the comment section below because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching!